dwindling. First, congratulations. I mean, 4 games, 4 wins, conceding 2 goals, scored 24 goals. Tremendous performance over the 4 games. What do you think?
I just a tremendous performance. I think I couldn't ask for anything more from the girls. We had a setback in the beginning of the game and everybody doubted us. We went and we had to overcome 4 goals against Cape Man, and we did it. And you can see today everybody talking about Damerep. And I keep saying to them, Damerep has to face Bermuda first, and then they have to face us. They have never played against an attacking team like us. Never. So I didn't expect them to sort of control our within. In the first half they did well. But I think their fitness level dropped, and also we made some adjustments in midfield to take care of those runs they were making.
Yeah, and also Tiffany got on the score sheet. I mean, Trudy seemed to have found her form again, because a few years ago she wasn't as prolific. Now she's back to her best, scoring goals. What have you done to kind of get her back to playing at her best, scoring in every game?
I think freedom to play. I gave her the freedom to play. When I spoke to her, I said we have the freedom to play. I'm not going to restrict her. You see, she's moving from left to right and scoring goals. Trudy, I've had Trudy when she's 14, and I know the type of player she is. She actually started out in midfield, one of the better midfielders in Jamaica. But she was being restricted from the way the free-flowing football that she can play. So the first thing I whispered in her ears when I took over, I said, listen, you're going to play. You're going to have all the options to play. I took her off today because I want to get some people in. I hate to bring players to a tournament and they don't get a touch. So I took her off and moved her team around a bit, because they were taking her out the game a bit. So.
Finally, I mean, a change because of an injury, but Courtney was able to come in, and it looked like seamless, like nothing. Really.
Yeah.
How does that, aid you now in this process?
A lot, because our defensive unit, we have been training on that, because before when I took over, I said our defense is one of my attributes, and we've been working on it. And as you say, she dropped in and seamless. So that is something that I am glad for.
All right, Coach, congratulations again. All the best in Mexico.
Yes.
We're going to watch the rest of the games. Hope Mexico can lose so they can only be hosting and not playing. All the best.